Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make an object invisible in Geometry Dash. So the first step is to tap on edit and then make sure swipe is enabled, and then you have to select the object that you want to make invisible and then simply tap on edit group. After that you have to simply tap on next free, and then what you have to do next is simply tap on add and then simply tap on OK. So it's gonna look something similar to this. And after that, what you have to do is simply go to BG, and then so you'll have to go to build, then to BG, and then to alpha. And after that, here you have to simply move the alpha object on the left side, so behind the green line. As you can see, you can go to edit and use these arrows to move around this object, and then basically you have to simply tap on the edit button. You have to tap on edit and then simply tap on edit object on the right side, and then here we have to simply make sure group ID is 1 and then opacity is 0 and tap OK, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.